Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. So, Assalamu alaikum. This is Misbah Sajid, and I welcome you all to my channel Talim for Everyone. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 2 7th edition lecture series. Chapter 10 Pythagorean Theorem from New Syllabus Mathematics Book 2 D2 7th edition. In this video, we are going to see practice now 3, and it is based on total 3 question number 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's begin with today's video. So here it is practice now 3, question number 1. So let's read out its statement. So the statement of question number 1 is in triangle ABC. If you see, this is a triangle ABC. Let me highlight it. This is triangle ABC. Okay. AB is equal to 3 centimeters. So if you see this triangle, this right angle triangle, so AB is equal to 3 centimeter. Angle B is of 90 degree, that is right angle. Okay, Q lies on our side BC. There is a point Q that is lying on the side BC in such a way that the side BQ and QC are equal to each other. Okay, and then if you see this right angle triangle, then you will see that AQ, the side AQ is equal to is of 5 centimeter. Okay, and then we are asked to find the length of side BQ. What is BQ? We have to find the side BQ, and then we have to find the side AC. So first we will find the side BQ. For BQ, we need this right angle triangle ABQ. Okay, let me highlight it again. So for finding the side BQ, we need a triangle, right angle triangle ABQ. So we have to highlight. I have to use highlighter. Okay, so we have to use this triangle ABQ. Okay, all right. So now if you see this right angle triangle, so you will observe that this is right angle triangle. Okay, right angle, sorry, angle B is of 90 degrees. So the side opposite to this angle is called as hypotenuse. Okay. All right, now I think it's much better. This is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, okay, and it is represented by small c. This side BQ is known as, you can see, base, and it would be represented by small a. This is perpendicular. This would be represented by small b. Okay, it is of AB is of 3 centimeter. Side AQ is of 5 centimeter, and we have to find the length the side BQ. Okay, so now let's begin it with its solution. So in triangle ABQ, angle B is 90 degree. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. We have to find the side BQ, that is base. Okay, first replace these with their small letter, like hypotenuse square means c square is equal to b square plus a square. Okay, and c square means c hypotenuse means it is aq, so it is aq whole square is equal to ab square plus bq square. We have to find the side bq, so bq square is equal to aq square minus ab whole square. All right, now put the value of aq and ab in this equation, so you will get like this. Okay, and 5 centimeter whole square means it is 25 centimeter whole square. 25 centimeter square, 3 centimeter whole square means it is 9 centimeter whole square. Okay, so now in next step we will subtract 9 centimeter from 25 centimeter whole square. Okay, so we will get 16 centimeter whole square. So BQ square is equal to 16 centimeter whole square. Now we will apply the square root on both sides. Okay, now this is square root cancel out, this is square cancel out. On this step you may use calculator as well. If calculator is not allowed, so you may um, find a square root of any number with the help of prime factorization. Okay, so 16 square root of 16 is 4 centimeters, so the side BQ is 4 centimeter. All right, so I hope so this thing is clear to you. So if this side is 4 centimeter, then if you know notice one thing, that there is a mark like this. Okay, let me clear it again. So if you see this side, it means that and it is already mentioned that Q is lying on a side BC in such a way that BQ is equal to QC. So if side BQ is 4 centimeter, then we can say that the side QC is also 4 centimeter, and overall the side BC is 4 plus 4 is 8 centimeter. So overall the side BC is 8 centimeter. I hope so this thing is clear to you. Okay, now we will find the side AC. So here what I have done, I have just erased a line AQ. Okay, because in this part 2 we don't need this line side AQ. Okay, so we have to find the side AC, this AC. So now the triangle becomes ABC. Okay, and if you see this is a 90 degree, so the side opposite to the side opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. So AC is hypotenuse. So in this part we have to find the side of we have to find hypotenuse. Okay, so okay, this side AB is known as perpendicular, and it is represented by small b, and it is of 3 centimeter. Okay, just now in previous slide we have found the length of BQ, and it is equal to 4 centimeter. So if this side is 4 centimeter, so this is also 4 centimeter QC. So if we add these two sides together, so we will get whole BC, the side BC. So the side BC is equal to 8 centimeter. So now easily we can apply Pythagorean theorem formula. Okay, and may find hypotenuse. Okay, and this is base, BC side is base, it can be represented by small a. All right, so in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, next, using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse square means it is C square, perpendicular square means it is B square, and base square means it is A square. Okay, now C square means it is AC whole square, B square means it is AB whole square, and A square means it is BC, the side BC whole square. We have to find the value of AC whole square. Now put the value of AB and BC in this equation. So AB would be replaced by 3 centimeter whole square, and BC would be replaced by BC whole square would be replaced by 8 centimeter whole square. So 3 centimeter whole square means it is equal to 9 centimeter whole square. Sorry. Okay, and 8 centimeter whole square means it is 64 centimeter whole square. Okay, so AC square is equal to 73 centimeter whole square. I have done this mistake. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so AC whole square, it is equal to 73 centimeter whole square. Now apply square root on both sides. Okay, so this is square and this is square root would be cancel out. This is square, this is square root would be cancel out. Now 73 centimeter. So use calculator over here. So square root of um, 73 is 8.54 centimeter. So the side AC is equal to 8.54 centimeter. Okay, and the next thing is that we have to use three significant figures. Okay, according to your book D2 or book 2, it is mandatory that the final answer should be of three significant figure. Okay, you may use three significant figures in final answer. Okay, so question number 1 of practice now is now done. Now we are going towards question number 2 of practice now 3. So here it is, question number 2. Okay, in triangle GHI, let me change the highlighter color. So triangle GHI, this is GHI. Okay, this is complete whole triangle. All right, and GH, the side GH is of 61 centimeter. GH, this side GH is of 61 centimeter. GI is of 11 centimeter, and angle I, here it is, angle I is of 90 degree. R lies on a side HI. There is a point R that is lying on the side HI. Okay, and RH is equal to 21 centimeter, and we have to find we are asked to find the length of HI. Okay, overall HI we have to find. Okay, and next we have to find the side GR. Okay, so first, for finding the length of HI, we need to find the length of RI. Okay, because after adding the side HR and RI, we can easily get the side, the total side length of HI. Okay, so if you see over here, so I have just taken the triangle GHI. Okay, and we have to find the side HI. Here it is a point, I have not removed this point. Okay, so we have to find the whole HI. Okay, no, actually the thing is that I just done one mistake. Okay, we will need um, RI, okay, for finding the side of GR, for finding the length of GR. Okay, in this step we don't need to find the value of RI. We just have to find the value of HI. Okay, after getting the value of HI, we will just subtract 21 centimeter from HI, and then we will get RI, and the value of RI we will use to find the value of length of GR. Okay, so don't mix up. Okay, fine. So I'm little sorry for misunderstanding. Okay, so now let's continue on. So here it is a triangle GHI, and if you see GH, this is just opposite 90 degree right angle. So this is hypotenuse. It can be represented by the small c. And if you consider this side HI, so this is base, or you can represent it by small a, and GI is the perpendicular, so it would be represented by small b. Okay, so in triangle GHI, angle I is equal to 90 degree. Now we will use Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, hypotenuse square means it is c square, perpendicular square means it is b square, plus base square means it is a square. C square means it is gh, hypotenuse is gs, so c square means it is gh square. Perpendicular is gi, so b square, perpendicular square means gi whole square, base square means it is hi, so hi whole square. Okay, now we have to find the value of hi, so hi whole square is equal to g h square minus gi square. Okay, now put the value of gh and gi over here in this equation. So HI square is equal to 61 centimeter whole square minus 11 centimeter whole square. So 61 centimeter whole square would is equal to 3721 centimeter whole square minus 121 centimeter whole square, that is equal to 11 centimeter whole square. Okay, so now we will subtract this value. So 3721 centimeter whole square minus 121 centimeter whole square is equal to 3600 centimeter whole square. Now apply square root on both sides. So same process, that square root cancel out, and it is also square and square root cancel out. So hi is equal to square root of 3600, so it is 60. So hi is equal to 60 centimeter. So hi we have just found. Okay, so I hope so this thing is clear to you. Or let me tell you the value of Ri over here, because we will need the value of Ri to find the value of Gr. So we have just found Hi 60 and Rh is 21 centimeters. So 60 minus 21 is, I'm just doing simple calculation over here. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So 39 centimeters. So Ri is 39 centimeters. So I hope so this thing is clear to you all. So if you have any queries, any confusion, so you may comment your query anytime. I will try to respond them as soon as possible. Okay, so here part 1 is done, and the length of Hi is 60 centimeter. This is also correct, but if you write one statement more that the length of hi is 60 centimeters, so this is also okay. So now we are going to find the gr. Okay, we have to find the value of gr. So Ri 39 centimeter, that I have already calculated in previous slide. Okay, so Hi is equal to 60 centimeter, Rh is equal to 21 centimeter. So Ri is equal to 60 centimeter minus 21 centimeter, that is 39 centimeter. So now if you see GIR, this is a triangle GIR, we have to find the length GR. So now identify the side's name. So angle I is 90 degrees. So the side opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. So it would be represented by a small c. This side is base. It would be represented by a small a. This side is perpendicular. This would be represented by a small b. Okay. So if you see this right angle triangle GRI carefully, so you will notice that we have to find GR, that is hypotenuse. Okay, so in triangle GRI, angle I is of 90 degree. Using Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. And hypotenuse square means it is C square is equal to B square plus A square. Perpendicular square means B square. Base square means it is A square. Okay, now C square means it is GR whole square. It is equal to B square. B square means it is GI whole square, and ri square it is means a square it means that ri whole square. Okay, now put the value of gi and ri over here in this equation. So gi means 11 centimeter and ri means 39 centimeter. Okay, so 11 centimeter whole square means it is 121 centimeter whole square, and 39 centimeter whole square means it is 1521 centimeter whole square. Okay, let me correct it again. Okay, centimeter whole square. All right, and gr whole square means by after adding 121 centimeter whole square plus 1521 centimeter whole square, so it is equal to 1642 centimeter whole square. Okay, so apply square root on both sides. So square root and square cancel out. This square root can be cancelled out. Okay, and a square root of 1642 is 40.5 centimeters. Gr is equal to 40.5 centimeter. Okay, so here we have found the value of the length of gr as well. Okay, so question number 1 and 2 of practice now 3 now completely done. If you have any queries, so you may comment your query anytime. I will try to respond them as soon as possible. Now moving towards question number 3 of practice now 3. Okay, so Okay, my main focus for D2 and book 2 is only for the time being is only practice now and work example. Okay, and later on, after completing all practice now and all work example from D2, I will move towards all exercises. Okay, so for the time being, if you have any query related to practice now for any chapter and work example, I will try to solve them. Okay, first priority is practice now and work example from book 2 or D2s. Okay, so here it is question number 3 of practice now 3. So in triangle PQR, so this is triangle PQR. The side PQ is 33 degrees centigrade and angle R is 90-degree. Okay, and now see over here again that H, no, yes, H lies on the side PR in such a way that PH is equal to 6 centimeter. K is again another point that is lying on the side QR, and it is lying in such a way that KR is of 13 centimeter. Okay, and we have to find the length of QR, and we have to find the length of HR. Okay, so for HR, for triangle HR, so now be with me to understand the whole scenario. To find the length of HR, here it is HR. All right, so I think for this we will use HKR triangle, right? Okay, triangle HKR. Okay, and if you assume if you see this right angle triangle carefully, so you will notice that this is angle R is of 90-degree. Okay, and the side opposite to and the side opposite to 90 degrees is called as hypotenuse. So it means that HK is hypotenuse, that is equal to 19 centimeter, and HK is represented by small c. Okay, HR is perpendicular, that is represented by small a, and KR, if you see, this is base and it would be represented by small b, and it is equal to 13 centimeter, and angle R is 90-degree. Okay, so next is using Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, and the hypotenuse square means it is c square, perpendicular means it is b square, and base square means it is a square. Here I have done one mistake again. Okay, so this is perpendicular and it means that it is b. All right, so pardon me please, and this is a. All right, so c square means c is hypotenuse is hk, so hk whole square is equal to b square, perpendicular whole square, so perpendicular is hr, so hr whole square plus rk whole square. Okay, we have to find the value of hr, so hr whole square is equal to hk whole square minus rk whole square. Now put the value of hk and rk over here in this equation, so you will get the answer easily. So hk is equal to 19 centimeter and RK is equal to 13 centimeter, and 19 centimeter whole square means it is 361 centimeter whole square, and 13 centimeter whole square it means 169 centimeter whole square. 361 centimeter whole square minus 169 centimeter whole square, so you will get 192 centimeter whole square. In next step we will apply square root on both sides. So square root and square cancel out, square and square root can be cancel out. HR is equal to 13.85 centimeter, and in book 2 we have to strictly follow one rule, that the final answer should be of three significant figures. So if you see, this is 8 and this is 5. Okay, so we will just add one before 5, before 5, the okay, so 8 plus 1 is 9, so 13.9 centimeter meter. So the side HR is equal to 13.9 centimeter. Okay, so HR is 13.9 centimeters. So I hope so this thing is clear to you, all those who are watching this video. Okay, so in next part we have to find the side QK. Okay, so here it is. So if you see carefully that now we have to use a triangle QPR completely. So we have just found the side HR that is of 13.9 centimeter and 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Okay, and here we will need completely PR. So 13.9 centimeter. Okay, we'll get later. Okay, so 13.9 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, so 13.9 centimeter and 6 centimeter, so it is 19.9 centimeter. Okay, so PR is of 19.9 centimeter, PQ is 33 centimeter, KR is 13 centimeter. For finding the value of QK, we have to first find the side QR. Okay, later on we will subtract KR from QR. Okay, then we will easily find the side QK. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, first identify the sides. So this side is perpendicular. Okay, this side is called as a hypotenuse because it is a just opposite 90-degree right angle. So this it is represented by C. This whole side would be represented by small a because it is perpendicular. This side would be represented by a. This side would be represented by B. Okay, this is A because it is base. Okay, so in triangle PQR, angle R is of 90-degree using Pythagorean theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse square means it is C square, it is equal to B square plus A square. Perpendicular means it is B, and base means it is A square. Okay, now C square means it is PQ whole square, it is equal to B square. B square means it is PR whole square plus A square means it is QR whole square. We have to find the value of QR. So QR whole square is equal to PQ whole square minus PR whole square. The value of PQ is 33 centimeter and the value of PR is 19.9 centimeter. We just found the value of PR by adding PH and HR together. Okay, so 33 centimeter whole square means it is 1089 centimeter whole square. 19 point centimeter whole square means it is 396.01 centimeter whole square. Okay, after subtracting we will get QR whole square is equal to 692.99 centimeter whole square. Okay, now apply square root on both sides. Square root square root cancel, square root cancel, and square root of 692.99 is 26.32 centimeter. This is not our final answer. Okay, so now for finding QK, QK, we know that QK is equal to QR minus KR. Okay, so 26.32 centimeter minus 13 centimeter is equal to 13.3 centimeter. So in this way, we have found the value of length of QK. Okay, so if you have any queries, so you may comment your query anytime. I will try to respond them as soon as possible. So here practice now 3 is completely done. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel Talim for Everyone and hit like and share my channel with your family and friends. So don't forget to hit like and share. Okay, so thank you once again. Allah Hafiz.